Little Storyteller.
Lily the little seed lily was a tiny seed, round and brown. She lived with her many brothers and sisters in a cozy, dark place underground. It was quiet and peaceful, and Lily often dreamed of what it would be like above. One sunny morning, a gentle rain began to fall. Droplets of water seeped into the soil, tickling Lily and her siblings. Lily felt a strange new feeling, a little stretch, a tiny push. Slowly, slowly, a little white root peeked out of Lily. It wiggled down into the earth, holding her tight. Then a tiny green sprout reached up towards the light. Above the ground lived a fluffy bunny named Benny. Benny had soft brown fur, long floppy ears that twitched, and a little white tail that bobbed when he hopped. He loved to nibble on clover in the sunny meadow. One day, Benny was hopping through the meadow when he saw something new. A little green sprout was pushing its way out of the brown earth. Benny had never seen anything like it before. He gently sniffed the little sprout. It smelled fresh and earthy. Benny decided to visit the sprout every day. He watched as it grew taller and stronger, reaching for the warm sunshine. Soon other little sprouts popped up around Lily. They were her brothers and sisters. They all stretched their green leaves towards the sky. Benny was delighted. Now there were many little green plants, where before there was only brown earth. He hopped around them happily. One sunny afternoon, Lily and her siblings grew even more. Tiny buds appeared on their stems. Benny watched with wide, curious eyes. Then one beautiful morning, the buds opened. Lily and her siblings were now beautiful bright yellow flowers with soft petals. The meadow looked even more colorful and happy. Benny buzzed happily around the flowers, collecting sweet nectar. Benny loved watching them. He learned that flowers need sunshine and rain to grow big and strong, just like he needs yummy clover to grow. And just like the little seed grew into a beautiful flower, even the smallest beginnings can lead to something wonderful.
Please subscribe. Thank you.